Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is on the second page. So once you find it, you can tap on it to instantly turn it on, or hold it so you can access the settings where you can, well, customize how it works. So we have advanced, let's see, we have select priorities, which will give you the most amount of customization. As you can see, we can select what kind of app notifications will show up during this mode, who can call us, and who can message us. And with a little bit of a difference for the calls, you have also a toggle right here, and that once you enable it, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass whatever you have selected in calls from. So as an example, during this mode, if you choose that you want to have calls from no one will be able to call you during Do Not Disturb mode. But if they meet this requirement right here for 2 calls per 15 minutes, they will completely bypass it. And messages has the same options minus this repeated callers. Now going back here, we also have another option, which is the schedule. Allows you to set up a schedule so the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and off automatically. And once you enable it, you have also a couple additional settings that will appear. So we have end time never, which means that you will have to turn it on and off yourself. But once you turn it on, you do also have the option to select a timer for it. So as an example, if you're the type of person that turns on Do Not Disturb mode when they get to work and you work 8 hours every day, you can simply select this, and then you go to work, you turn it on, it runs for 8 hours and then automatically turns off. And you have also sound and vibration, which allows you to select what kind of sounds and vibration will be allowed during this mode. So once you set it all up, you can simply tap on the toggle whenever you want to enable it, like so. As you can see, it's now turned on. And once you're done with it, you can either wait for the timer or simply turn it off. So that is how you set it up and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.